Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new to the channel, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic. You guys already know by the title of the video that we will be discussing Cardano. What's happening with Cardano's price, where we could be going in the immediate short term. If you like these kind of videos, smash that like button, hit that red subscribe button, and come join the Crypto ZX army. We're looking across the markets. If you guys already are aware of my other videos that I've created, we are seeing some sort of green within the markets because Bitcoin is creating a green candle once again. But remember, today we are in a weekend, and on the weekends we do tend to see manipulation across the board. We're really going to see what happens this coming week for the entire space. Obviously we need to be focusing on Bitcoin specifically, but let's get right in Cardano's price and see what's happening and where we could be going in the immediate short term. Looking at the price of ADA right now, it is currently trading at 36.7 cents. It's up 1.7% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative and about 0.1% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. But look at the market valuation for Cardano, currently sitting at $12.9 billion. And the 24-hour trading volume is currently sitting at 233.6 million. Right off the bat, we could say that the overall buying pressure for Cardano is just not there, and hence we are not seeing too much excitement in Cardano's price. Because the overall buying pressure is just not there for itself. But I'm going to share something very interesting with you guys that not a lot of people think when we are examining Cardano's price. You guys know my stance on Cardano. You know how long I've been covering ADA on my channel for. And I really do believe ADA still has what it takes to shock a lot of people this bull cycle. But now let's shift our focus towards the price and see what's happening and where we could be going in the immediate short term. As always, just a quick disclaimer for everyone that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. One thing I want to show everyone is that, if you picked up some ADA at the beginning of the year, you're still up about 53%. So let's get that out of the way. If someone's saying that Cardano has not pumped up at all this year, I just want to put that out of the way and say, yes, it is up 53% if you picked it up this year. You've heard that correct. And also, let's go down memory lane and see what is the historical price pattern for ADA and how it has been performing over the past few months. So you guys can see last bull cycle, we topped out September 2nd of 2021 at $3.10 per ADA. And if I bring out the measuring tool for you guys and we measure it from the all-time high to its current price right now, we are still down 88.38%. And remember when, the prices were going around here, we were seeing insane amount of excitement. Everyone wants to FOMO in. And, that's the biggest red flag. And right now, when we are seeing massive consolidation phase, Cardano is still close to its bottoms. No one wants to touch it. And, I will never understand that, nor would a lot of other people understand that. But again, that's human psychology. We all do the same thing, including myself, including a lot of other people as well. But once you really start to, do the opposite, like, accumulate around, when there's a lot of fear, a lot of uncertainty, a lot of not interest, and you want to be selling when those high prices are coming and scaling out, that's where you maximize your returns. But as I say that, we are seeing something very interesting happening with Cardano, and it's having a very, very hard time breaking out of this level of resistance, which I've been talking about on my channel for the longest time, which is at 40 cents. You guys can see we literally been trying to break out of here for the longest time, but every single time we have seen a rejection. And obviously the buying pressure is not on its side. But one massive positive thing that I want to share with you guys is that as of now, the price is creating a higher high and a higher low, and we are seeing this market wide. You can go see majority of the cryptocurrencies right now, they are still in an upwards trend, creating higher highs and a higher low, and that is an indication that the price is in an upwards trajectory. In order for to see us really see massive gains in ADA or see it see some sort of gains, we do need to see it break out of this level of resistance. That's where I really do believe that Cardano is going to start moving and really start retesting those 60 cents mark and even enter the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level, which we have not seen since May 9th of last year. But if I go on the hourly time frame, you guys get the perspective. A lot of sideways movement, really battling, a massive battle between the bears and the bulls. at this level of resistance, and that is going to be a deciding factor once we break out of here. But overall, things are looking good, and despite the fact that we have not even seen crazy movements in Cardano, guess what a lot of people are ignoring? If you guys can guess, I'll give you guys 5 seconds. If you guys can guess what I'm about to say. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I hope you guys guessed it, but what I'm trying to talk about is that the overall rank, Cardano has shown its strength in terms of holders and how they're not selling right now, and it is still ranked despite the fact that we're seeing a majority of the market outperforming Cardano without a doubt right now. Cardano is more on like the stable side, not seeing insane price movements, but Cardano is still held in the top 10. What does that show us? That shows us the confidence level in ADA. And not only that, Cardano is being accumulated by big institutions, and we have seen insane amount of statistics last bull cycle as well, and even in the bear market we were seeing massive institutions interest coming in Cardano, and who knows if they were picking it up OTC. But we know that Cardano is bought by institutions as well, hence we're seeing such strong strength in the top 10, and that should show where Cardano really is headed. And if that doesn't motivate you, look at the overall ecosystem growth, guys. I've told you guys this from the beginning, and again, this is my own personal opinion. I've said a lot of blockchain projects are getting a lot of interest, but there are 2-3 of them that really show the ecosystem growth, and one is obviously without a doubt Cardano, Solana, and even Phantom. A lot of people ignore Phantom, but Phantom has insane amount of growth when it comes to overall structure ecosystem growth, and we are seeing these projects really gain traction, but Cardano is the closest. I've always said this, Cardano and Solana are the closest Ethereum killers I have seen since I've been in the markets. And if we go on staking rewards, look at the top 2 most staked cryptocurrency right now. Number 2 is ADA with about 71% of this market valuation. So let's put it into perspective. So basically $12.8 billion is the market valuation, and about almost $10 billion is staked, meaning it's off the exchanges. People are earning passive income. And remember, when the prices were at $3, a lot of people were FOMOing in, wishing they picked it up at cheaper price, and right now it's literally right in front of us. A crazy opportunity. And I get so many comments on my old videos when Cardano was 1 cent. A lot of people comment down below. Even last bull cycle when it was hitting $3, people were commenting down below, oh, I wish I picked this up, I wish I watched this video earlier. That's just how the cycles work. Right now we do have a great opportunity if you do believe in the project's vision, where you think it's going in the long term and you really love the project. Now is the great time to be dollar cost averaging in, and rather than picking it up when it has pumped up 9 to 10x from now. So that is it for today's update. Obviously, as I say that, we do need to break out of this level of resistance, but as of now, these higher highs and higher lows is definitely something that is speaking to me. But Bitcoin needs to hold around these levels, and as long as it even stays above $22,000 mark, I'm totally fine with that. Obviously, if you guys know, if you go below $22,000, I get bearish then. But overall, Cardano is looking very, very strong. A lot of people are sleeping on it, but I do believe it's going to shock a lot of people this bull cycle. It did that last bull cycle, and it will do it this bull cycle as well. But again, only time is going to tell. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys tomorrow. Been Crypto ZX, and peace out.